With HyperExecute, you can streamline your test automation by setting up a runtime environment tailored to your project's specific requirements. This feature allows you to configure your tests to run in an environment that precisely matches the languages and frameworks your application depends on. To run tests, you will need to use the HyperExecute YAML file as it serves as the foundational component for test execution. Let's see how to enable runtime environment setup for executing a test. To demonstrate how the runtime environment setup works, let's use a sample test script from a repository designed for matrix test orchestration. You can find the link for the sample repo in the description box below. Click on the code button and select download zip to get started. Once downloaded, extract the zip file to a preferred location. For the purpose of this demonstration, let's extract it to the local disk C. Open your preferred integrated development environment. In this case, let's use Visual Studio Code. Launch VS Code, click on File, select Open Folder, and choose the folder that contains the matrix test orchestration files. One of the essential steps to enable the runtime environment setup is defining a capability by specifying the language and its version in a YAML file. You can copy this capability from the support documentation and paste it into your YAML file. The link for the support documentation is given in the description box below. This configuration allows you to tailor the runtime environment according to the requirements of your test script. To run the tests on HyperExecute, head to the support documentation to download the HyperExecute CLI for your operating system. For this demonstration, let's download the one for Windows. You can access the link for various OS platforms from the support documentation given in the description box below. Copy the downloaded file and paste it into the matrix test orchestration folder. Next, go to the HyperExecute dashboard, click on Help, select HyperExecute CLI, copy the test execution command given, and paste it into the terminal in the VS Code. Head back to the HyperExecute dashboard and click on the test that is enabled for execution. Upon clicking on the test, you will be able to view three steps known as pre-steps, scenarios, and post-steps. Click on pre-steps and select Setup Runtime. Here, the function shows a green tick reflecting that the runtime flag has been set up. By following these steps, you can showcase how to set up the runtime environment by customizing the test environment to suit specific language and version of your test requirements. This ensures that the test runs smoothly and accurately, reflecting the exact conditions your application depends on. Thank you for watching.